MOV, rubber cleaning glove. He found this glove sticking out and is tripping Major Ball's jaw. After his initial investigation of the creepy yellow peeping cabinet demon, he then decided to add the creepy yellow peeping cabinet demon to his loot list. If you are new here, Amo is a house hippo terrorist and thief who enjoys stealing random household items, aka loot. His mission is clear AF now. Get that motherfucking glove. Don't feel bad, y'all. I was totally expecting for it to snap back in his face too. Success!